do you know what is the speciality of today? Yeah, today is the World Environment Day. The World Environment Day is celebrated on June 5th every year. The theme of this year is Ecosystem Restoration. It is celebrated to generate awareness of the environment and nature. The main threats to our environment, including diseases, pollution, and a warming climate, are putting wildlife population at risk on this year. The UN will declare 2021 to 2030 as the decade on ecosystem restoration with the slogan of Reimagine, Recreate and Restore. World Environment Day is hosted by different countries around the globe. Pakistan will host Environment Day 2021. So, let's join our hands to save environment. Let's join our hands with Greta Thunberg, the great environmentalist, to control global warming. Let's join our hands to use plastics responsibly. Let's join our hands to not to waste food. Let's join our hands to fight against deforestation. So, let's all of us promise to keep our surroundings safe and clean, to enjoy safer, cleaner and more prosperous future. Thank you. Wish you all a happy Environment Day. Hi friends, today is a special day for us. Do you know that? Yeah, today is the World Environment Day. We love our Earth very much. Earth is our mom. We want to make her happy. Earth is our home. We want to keep it neatly and cleanly and very, very greenly. So we can join our hands to protect our mom Earth. Reuse, reuse and recycle plastic, and please don't throw it on the water bodies or on the land. Stop polluting air. And we can join the hands with Greta Thunberg, the great environmentalist. So, I wish you all a great Environment Day. Thank you.